I had some problems with my Makita MAK700 air compressor. All of a sudden it just died one day and my switch acted like it wasn't working. I couldn't get it to turn on or off. When I turned that off, flipped it down, it wouldn't work. I replaced the switch, still nothing. But before you replace your switch, what you don't find online, at least I never found it, is that there's a reset switch. You can see just inside there that had popped out. You push that in and it worked like a charm. So a simple fix. It was probably in the manual, but that was long gone. So that might be the answer for your air compressor not firing up. Check your breaker on your plug-in, obviously, but if that's not tripped, then it might be your switch.